Good afternoon, all of you. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes. இது போட்டிங்களா thumbnail மாத்தி? Okay. Yes. I hope morning we had a wonderful session. So again you have joined. Thank you so much for joining again. So since it is logical reasoning, students are not turning up because there is nothing to learn in logical reasoning. That's what we are thinking. My dear, please understand one thing. In logical reasoning also, there is a lot of hacks. Okay, fine. First let me tell you how to approach logical reasoning. Don't approach logical reasoning logically. Okay, that is first rule you always remember. Do not approach logically. And the second one, don't put yourself into the question. For example, direction test, blood relations, we ourselves think that within us, that is right now we'll think, okay, I'm walking towards north, taking right, taking left. No, it is not supposed to be done, my dear. So what we have to do, we have to stay away from the question, and we need to mechanically we should do, not logically. If logical approach if you give, it may affect you to take the decisions. So the rule number one, don't approach logical reasoning logically. There are certain rules to be followed. Once you follow the rules, of course it is very simple, and I'm here to teach what are the rules, because you know how to get the odd man out, you know how to get coding, decoding. Of course you are aware about it. There is nothing to teach here, but in spite of that, what we are going to learn is something different, my dear. You just think how I am approaching. If you like that approach, better you follow the same in your examination. Otherwise, whatever method you know, that method you follow, my dear. Yes, everyone, good afternoon. Yes, I think you can read, right? Okay, now, logical reasoning, in short, LR. This is total 20 marks. Some noise is coming. Ritika says some noise is coming. Okay, Vedan. Yeah. So logical reasoning, total 20 questions and 20 marks. Yeah, I'm looking into that is sound, okay? Is, I'm looking into it. Actually, we have got 4 topics: number series, coding, decoding. Okay, next one is direction test. Third one is seating arrangement. And finally, last one is what? Blood relation. Okay. Now tell me, my dear, Out of these four topics, let us name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these four topics, which is scoring, it seems, you tell me, my dear, which is the topic you are like, sir, I am going to score in this topic. Which is scoring, can you tell me? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just, my dear, please give a like button, because people are saying you are not liking my lectures only. Okay, please like, that is very important. Otherwise, people will not give me the platform to teach. Yeah, a like button, not heart button. Yeah, please. Which one you like most out of these four? Are this first one is number series, second one is direction, third is seating arrangement, BR. So how you want to just sir, this way, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what important based on importance. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that. So third topic, seating arrangement, number series. Harsh also saying number series. Arvind says 1, 2, and 4. Blood relation, direction, blood relation, all except direction test. Okay, Tanishka, I will come back to you. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay. 1, 3, 4. Very good. Now listen here. Let me tell you, I think many people are ignoring direction test. For your information, most of the questions are going to come from direction test. Weightage is more for direction test. Okay, weightage is more for direction test. So don't ignore a direction test. Okay, don't ignore direction test. So first you keep this in your mind. A direction test, of course, everyone should do. Am I right, my dear? Everyone should do direction test. Okay. Now, second important is what I am talking about importance. I am not talking about easy. First one is direction test. Second important is number series coding decoding. Third is blood relation. Fourth one is seating arrangement. Now let me tell you difficulty wise. Difficulty wise means what from my point of view. Okay, difficulty wise from my point of view, because this is logical reasoning. Logical reasoning, person to person, it approach changes, right? For me, of course, I can teach all the four topics, nothing like that. That is very simple. But as a student, if I think from student's point of view, difficult point of view, okay, difficult point of view, the first topic, if you say, it is direction test. Okay, second one is sitting arrangement. Third one is blood relation, and fourth one is number series. So easiest part is number series. Blood relation is second easiest part, and third one is what? Sitting arrangement, and fourth one is direction. This is the way I rate. Okay, this is the way I rate. Of course, it depends. I told you, this is my point of view, my dear. You may think that, sir, for me, I am comfortable in direction test. Very good, my dear. Okay, fine. In general, this is the way it happens. Let it be. So here, in today's session, we are going to do number series, coding, decoding, and direction. Okay. And for IQ channel students, I am telling you, you have got only timetable up to yesterday. That is the reason today many people have not turned up. My dear, daily I am going to take the lectures, because statistics also there. In IQ channel, statistics will continue. So please inform your friends, ask them to come and attend the lectures. Okay. Yes. Sir, it's good for God of non-mathematics student. Okay, Phoenix. Now listen here. But the drawback of logical reasoning is what? Time consuming. You will not come to know how much time you are going to invest. You will not come to know. That is whatever time invested now. After completing logical reasoning, at the end of the session, you come to know, already 1 hour gone. Okay, that is, it is like time pass. So so you have to, sometimes you need to say when to say no. Today I am going to cover number series, coding, decoding, and the directions. Tomorrow I am going to cover sitting arrangement and blood relation. Of course, you have learnt from big legends, this logical reasoning and all. You might have learnt it from big legends. At least learn it from me also. Just think how I am approaching logical reasoning, and I feel that you people are comfortable in logical reasoning. So this session is going to be very good, and we are going to enjoy this session. Since still noise is coming. Yes, we are looking into it, my dear. Okay. Now, let me start with number series, coding, decoding, direction, introduction. Listen here, my dear. In number series, we may have 3 types of sequences. One is additive sequence, other one is multiplicative, Oh, yeah, thank you. Multiple, multiplicative, and finally mixed. One is additive, multiplicative, and mixed. How to identify additive, multiplicative, and mixed? I'll tell you. First, additive. The progress of the numbers. Maybe what for example, 5 numbers are given. All 5 will be in 2-digit number only. Next number also may be in 2-digit. So directly it will not reach 3-digit. Okay. But multiplicative, what happens? After 3 numbers, 4th number will be 3-digit number, 4-digit number. So it is a rapid progress. It's a rapid progress. By looking at it, you can identify, yes, it is multiplicative. Sometimes additive plus multiplicative together. Sometimes additive and multiplicative together. And finally mixed. The meaning of mixed is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Whenever there is a sequence which is increases, decreases, increases, decreases, please understand, my dear, it is combination of 2 statements. It is combination of what? 2 sequences. Sorry, it is combination of 2 sequences. Okay, it is combination of 2 sequences. So we need to identify the sequence. Accordingly, we have to split and do it. Okay. So this is what mixed sequence. So in the examination, these are the type of sequences we can expect. Okay. And the most challenging part in number series is odd man out. Do you all agree with me? Do you all agree with me, my dear? Do you all agree with me? If you ask me, at least from my point of view, I feel odd man out is little challenging. Do you all agree with me? Because we believe, okay, something is odd man out, but something else is actually odd man. Okay. Yes. Do you believe, my dear? Yes, odd man out is little bit challenging. Yes, sir. Very good. Noise is coming. Please wait, my dear. Hello, hello. Is it fine now? Is it fine? Still? Okay. It's okay. No, sir. Not fine. Guys, give me 2 minutes time. We are just looking into it. Please, 2 minutes, huh? Today, please try to manage. Okay, let us continue because we don't have much time. Okay, my dear. Okay, so odd man out is little challenging. Okay, fine. Next part in number series is coding and decoding. See, coding and decoding, actually one standard type of question every time they are asking, and that standard type of question you are not supposed to ignore, but it's very simple type. Okay, that question you are not supposed to leave. Okay, for example, shake, coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then Sheetal coded as some number, and how Janani will be coded as. So this way, 2 hints will be given, third they will ask. Here you no need to remember the alphabetical role and all, like alphabetical order and all, you no need to remember. Just like that, what you can substitute the numbers from these two hints. So what is coding and decoding is, one hint will be given to you. Based on that hint, we have to decode our requirement. Is that correct, my dear? This is what coding and decoding. Okay, coding and decoding. Of course, sometimes it will be based on the alphabet value also. Alphabetical, yeah, it's very simple, but this is compulsory question. In every exam, they are asking at least, sometimes two questions are coming of this type. So this is actually, everyone is going to score 2 marks. 2 marks compulsory for you. Everyone is going to get 2 marks from logical reasoning. So now listen here. Here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Then N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So, see, there are two types of coding will be given to, hints will be given to you. One is forward moving, other one is backward moving. Forward moving alphabet values and all, you know. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. This is forward moving, right? These are the values of forward moving. If it is backward, okay, sometimes backward also, backward coding also possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, M14, 15, 16, 17, 18, it goes on like that. My dear, the biggest problem is what, the way it is moving forward, that at least by using fingers, sometimes you can get the values. For example, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 8 value. This way at least we can take. When it is going backward, I don't know how many of you are comfortable in alphabet backward ways. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, J, H, G, F, U, D, C, B, A. Okay, if you are this much comfortable, of course you can use the fingers, I can get the value, right? But if you are not comfortable and if it is moving backward, I will give you one method, my dear. I hope you may remember, you may know the forward values. 27 minus forward value is backward value. 27 minus forward value is what? Backward value. For example, W. What is forward value? 23. If it is backward value, then what will do? Simply, sir, 27 minus 23, 4, sir. Look at this, 4. If you want to find out backward value, you can do what? 27 minus forward value is your backward value. Do you all agree with me, my dear? Say yes or no. Is that right? Clear? Fine. So forward value, backward value. Okay. Next one is, next one is direction. Now, the first rule of direction, okay, the first rule of direction, don't put yourself into the question. This is the first rule. Forget that which direction you are facing, okay, and forget that in which direction you are going to draw. Nothing should be done. Do you all agree, my dear? Nothing should be done. So there is one standard rule to be followed. Before you start direction test question, always draw this. It is advisable to draw this. North, south, east, west. Am I right? Now, this is right side. This is left side. Right, left. Right, left. Right, left. Am I right, my dear? This is primary direction. What is this? Primary direction. Okay, primary direction. Okay. Now, secondary directions. This one. North, east. southeast, southwest, northwest. And the angle is what? For between primary angles, 45 degrees. Am I right, my dear? Okay, between primary and secondary angle, primary and secondary direction, angle between them is what? 45. Angle between them is what? 45. Is that clear, all of you? Yes. Now, it's a basic thing we need to remember. This angle is 45 degrees. This angle is what? 45 degrees. In direction, we have got three types of questions. Question can be asked like this. Directly find the which direction you are moving. Which direction you are moving. Second one is distance. How much distance you have traveled. Third one is direction as well as distance involved. Okay. Unfortunately, in our institute material, direction and distance involved problem is not there. But in the examinations, they are asking. So we need to do those type of problems, my dear. Okay. Now, there is one more rule. Sun rises which direction? East direction. Sets west. In the morning time, shadow will fall on. In the morning time, shadow will fall on which direction, my dear? Shadow will fall on which direction? Yes, can you please answer? During morning time, shadow will fall on which direction? Yes, Vaishnavi. Others? Yes, west. During evening time, my dear, is that right? Yes? Fine. Fine. So, because based on this questions may be asked, my dear, so these are some primary rules to be remembered before we start with the question. Is that correct, my dear? Yes. Now, direction is concerned, this much you need to remember. Before I start, I want you to draw this first. Please start. Draw this first. This one I want you to draw. Okay. Now let us start with the problems. Are you all ready? Now, give me the answer. Fast, fast, fast. In a certain code, ripple is written as 613382, life is written as 8192, pillar is written as, can you please tell me what is the answer? Yes, A. My dear, this is the type of question I said every time they are asking. Like, you know, how many hint we have got? 1, 2. Third one they are asking you to find out. Very important type. What is it? This pillar, all the letters are available here only. Is that right? In ripple as well as life. In both the letters it is available. Now, P, what is it? P, 3. What is I? 1. What is L? 8. Another L? 8. What is E? 2. What is R? 318826. For this question, life is not needed only. For us, life is important, but in this question, life is not needed. Now, it's a famous question. In a certain code, 256 means you are good. 637 means we are bad. 358 means good and bad. Look at this. First one is, you are good. Of course, everyone knows it. You are good. What is it, my dear? 256. We are bad. My dear, we are not that bad. This is 637. Good and bad. $358. Now we need to find out and. What is the value of and? Look at this, my dear. In this question, this type of question, what we need to remember, I'll tell you. What we need to remember, I'll tell you. See, you are good, we are bad, good and bad. There are three words. You are good. And right hand side, there are 3-digit number. Okay, there is 3-digit number. Here, order is not important. For example, don't assume it is 256. That is wrong. You are not supposed to take this. Okay, you are not supposed to take this. Then how to approach? How to approach? Whenever this type of sums comes, always approach like this. First take two statements. Is there anything in common between two statements? R. Is that right, my dear? R is common. Now look at this. Now the same 3-digit number. Is there anything in common between these two 3-digit numbers? Yes, sir. 6. So give them 6. Now take second and third. Is there anything in common between second and third? Bad. Any digit is in common between these two? Yes, 3. So we can give them 3. Now, first and last. Is anything in common between first and last? Yes, sir. Good. Anything in common, my dear, for good? 5. Here 5 is common, right? So 8 only pending now. 8 is not defined yet. And here and is not defined. Therefore 8 is our answer. I think everyone got the same answer. Do it. I told you now this type. I don't want to insult you by doing this sum, my dear. Please do it. A. Vaishnav is given me C. A is the right answer. Okay. A is the right answer. What is it? Lose given us 1357, gain given us 2468, 82146 coded as 8 N 2 G 1 L A I N G L A I. Option A. Is that right, my dear? Yes. Option A. Mokkasam. Do it. Give me the answer first. A. Okay. Play coded as 8123, rhyme coded as 49367. What will mail coded as M6 A 2, L 1, E 7, 6217. Very good. I want you to find out odd man out, my dear. Oh, sorry, find the next number. Fine. Listen here. 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 31. Honey. Honey coded as J Q P G A. Which word is coded as V C T I G V U? First you start this. Yes, you are right. Look at this. Now listen here. How to identify that is forward moving or backward moving? Just compare H and J. One digit forward. Okay. H I J, O P Q, N O P, E F G, Y Z and A. Correct now? Yes. So but here this one coding, we need to decode this, we need to go reverse, my dear. Now V, when V will come, my dear? T U V. So before two letters, before V, one letter, two letters behind, what is it? T. C, B A. See, once I got two letters now, I no need to waste my time to complete the entire thing. There is only, where it is? Only one option is available. First two letters are T and A. That's it. Now why should I go with the other things? Directly we can mark, right? Let us not waste our time. My dear, you understand? Now, find odd man out. Find odd man out. C, okay. Yes, Chandra. Find odd man out. Ramanujam said D. I want to know the meaning of D. Why D? Pratham says C. Vedant says 63. Ubashira said 7. Sorry, C, D. But I want to know the reason now. Why 63? Why 81? Yes, Ramanujam. Ashwin also said 60. Everyone is giving me 63. Why 63? Listen here. Only 81 is perfect square. Only 81 is perfect square. Okay, rest all the number, everything is multiples of 3, but 81 is perfect square. So our option is D. That's what I said, my dear. This is little bit challenging. Odd man out is challenging. See, one side everyone is giving me option C. Anbe Shivam also C given. I don't know why C given. Why C is given, I don't know. Now, can you find out odd man out here? 7, 9, 13. It's a simple question, simple one. Can you please find out the odd man out? 7, 9, 13, 17, 19. 9. Okay. Odd man out. 8th D. Okay. Hamsardini said B. Okay, I think now everyone is giving me perfect answer. Some people are given wrong answer. 7, 13, 17, 19 all are prime numbers, but 9 is not a prime number. Our option is B. Some people given me 19, some people given me answer is 13, I don't know, but 9 is the right answer. Why 13 and all coming, I don't understand. Yes. Now, find the next number in the series. 7, 23, 47, 119, 160. Now, first by looking at it, just tell me whether it is additive series or multiplicative series. Whether it is additive series or multiplicative series. Look at this. 7, 23, 47, 119, 167. What is the difference, my dear? What is the difference? 16. And here difference is what? Next term. $70? Next term. No, this is not happening. Correct? Yes. Let me not take this. Look at this. Can I give like this? 3 square minus 2. Do you all agree? 5 square minus 2. 7 square minus 2. 8 square. No. Look at this. 3, 5, 7. All are prime numbers. Next one must be what? 11 square minus 2. After 11, 13 square minus 2. After 13, what is the prime number, my dear? 17 square minus 2. Is it 287? Now you are giving answer C. What is this? C. Very good. You all understood, my dear? Now, see, understanding is different, doing on your own is different. In the examination, I hope now you will realize how much time you are taking to solve each and every sum, right? That is what I am telling you, stay away from LR. Yes, which one is odd man out? 4, 12, 44, 176, 890. Four, 12, 44, 176, 890. Chota beam given me C. Is it multiplicative sequence series or additive? Multiplicative. Because directly suddenly reaches 890 and all. Okay. Option D you are giving, some people are giving 44. Option D, why? Listen here. What I see, I'll tell you. 4, 12, 44, 176, 890. 4 3s are 12. Am I right? But 12 threes are not 44, 12 threes are is what? 36 only. But 12 threes are 48. But I don't know whether it is helpful or not. What? 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. For example, if I have got 4, 48, then what is next? So this is not possible. Am I right, my dear? So what will come? Which is odd man out here? 36. 4 threes are 12. Odd man out is 44. Why 44 is odd man out? Now, can you find 890 divided by 176 into 5? Am I right, my dear? It is into 5. Here into 3. Huh? So what will come? You tell me. $176. Okay. Listen here. Shall we go like this? 4 into 4 minus 4. 12 into 4 minus 4. 144 into 4 minus 4. What you are getting? What you are getting? 44 fours are 176 minus 4. We are expecting what? 172. So check this. Into 5 minus 5. What you are getting? Oh, sorry. Into 4 minus. Not coming. See, I know what is the answer. You don't worry. I am trying from your point of view. How much time you are taking? I want to, how much time you are doing. Look at this. Yes, next. Anything? Any other idea? Any other suggestion? Fast. Sir, 890 is answer. I don't know. I want to know the reason. People are giving me 176. This is not odd man out. Oh, sorry, odd man out. Okay. 890 is not there, na? Then that is not the answer. Do it, my dear. Please tell me. Why no one is giving me the answer? Why no one is giving me? Four into 2 plus 4. Okay. Fine. You took too much time. 4, 4, 12, 44, 176, 890. What is it, my dear? How it is 44? 4 into 2 plus 4. Next, 12 into 3 plus 6. So what will come? 42. Into 4 plus 8. Into 5 plus 10. So actually here we are expecting 42, but it is given 44. So 44 is odd man out. Yes. Is it time consuming or not? Now, I think Madras coded as, this should be T, NBSBT. Madras coded as NBSBT, and how is Bombay coded as? Very simple. M, N, A, B, D, E, R, S, A, B, S, T. So, B, C, O, P, M, N, B, C, A, B, Y, Z, C, P, and C, B, Z. B, 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 B. Yes, Tanish, you are a great man. Which one is odd man out? I want you to find out the odd man out. Do it. Find odd man out. What is it? D. Okay. Others? B given, B people are giving me. Okay. Now listen here. See. Actually what you know? Plus 2, actually C, D, E, right? C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L. That is 2 letters between, 3 letters between, then what? 4 letters between. Shall we check it here? K, M, P, T, K, L, M, 1 letter, sir. L, M. Next, N, M, N, O, correct. Next, Q, R, S. Very good, satisfying. O, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, okay. T, U, V, W, yes, 3 letters. Now same way, N, O, P, okay. P, Q, R, yes, okay. Yes, T, U, V, actually we need a W here, but it is V only, therefore option D. Am I right, my dear? Yes, KS, you are right. Now, find the missing figure 4, 16, 36, 64, 100. Such a fantastic simple question. Very simple. Very simple. I want the answer just like that, my dear. I want the answer just like that. Please give me the answer. Two square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square, 10 square, 12 square. So 144 is the answer. Am I right, my dear? I think this one we already did, right? No, Delhi coded as. See, Madras coded as NBSBT, similar type only. Delhi coded as. Can you give me the answer for Delhi? Chota Bhim given as C. Okay, others? So everyone is giving me C. So E, F, L, M, H, I, I, J. EFMIJ. Option C I am getting. Yes, Muskan. Yes, Vaibhavi. Harsh. Yes, everyone is getting the same answer. Very good. Very good. Find the odd man out. 5, 10, 17, 27, 37, 50, 65. 5, 10, 17, 27, 37, 50 and 65. My mind is not working towards LR, sir. सर ये बताना कैसा है, कौन सा? अरे देखना, already we did, man. M becomes N, A becomes B, D becomes E, next alphabet, na? Actually, no need to do complete. E, F, if you know, only one option starts with E, F. Okay. Now give me, my dear, what is the odd man number, my dear? Odd man out. What? C. Mayank right, C. Okay. Why C should come? Actually, what should come there? 26. Why? 5, 7, 9, 11. Yes. 27 is the right answer. It disturbs the pattern. Very good. Muskan, you are also right. 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1. Next one should be what? 5 square plus 1. Okay. 37 is what? 6 square plus 1, 7 square plus 1, 8 square plus 1. Fantastic, Muskan. Your approach is good. Yes, KS. Now, can you get this answer? 416 dash 256 1024. Let's see. ये कैसा आया, मतलब कौन सा कैसा आया? तनिष्क. How to improve our mind to think towards LR, sir? First, you need to bring the interest toward the topic. Then you need to keep on solving it. Vijay photo mattu acha podadappa. So 64, very good. Actually, look at this. 2 square, 2 power 4, 2 power 8, 2 power 10. This is what the numbers. What is missing? 2 power 6 is missing. What is 2 power 6 is? 64. Now, system coded as 131625, terms coded as, system coded as 131625, then terms will be coded as, okay, KS, system coded as 131625. Why B? How did you say B? Even A also, if you are using that condition, A also satisfies, na? Huh? Very good. Idea is good. Listen here. Actually, here they are supposed to give 2 hints. Either it's a spelling, either it's a printing mistake, one more hint is missing, or if this is the hint, still we can crack it. How to crack, I'll tell you. Terms. T. What is T, my dear? 6. E. What is it? 2. There is no R here, so leave that. M. What is M, my dear? 5. What is S? 1. Now, here 6, first two digit 62, last two digit 51. So, only option A or option B? Definitely option B, because option A is not possible. 2 is given. That means what? Both the letters denotes E, but actually one is E, other one is R. So, definitely what? 62541. But I don't think this will be the right question, but still we will be able to crack it. Yes, okay. Find odd man out. 1, 5, 14, 30, 51, 55, 91. Find odd man out. 1, 5, 14, 30, 51, 55, 91. Yes. So, what is it, my dear? 1, 5, 4, 1, 14, 30, like that. What is the odd man out? Everyone is giving me 51. May I know the reason for 51? 2 square? 4, 9, 20, actually 4, 9, 16, after that 25. So, 51 should not be there only. Yes. Odd man out to C. Find the missing term. I am giving you only 20 seconds. Let's see how many of you are able to solve it in 20 seconds. Tanish, approach wrong, Tanish. It's more than 20 seconds now. It's more than 20 seconds. You did not crack it. Wow. People are started giving Ritika, Tanishk. Both are given the same answer. This side, none of them given me the answer. No, na? B. Okay. May I know the reason, Ritika? May I know the reason, Tanishk? Yes, very good, Tanishk. Very good. See, look at this. 0 plus 2 plus 1, 3, correct? 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 6 plus 10. Sorry, 3 plus 6 plus 1. 6 plus 10 plus 1. 10 plus 17 plus 1. 17 plus 28 plus 1. 46. Very good. But you took more than 20 seconds. Only 2 people did within the time limit. Now for this question, I am giving you 40 seconds. Yes, Ritika. 40 seconds for this question. Seconds for this question. Screen is blur. No, my dear. D, yeah. You also solved within the time limit. Very good. Those who given D, excellent, my dear. Within the time limit, you solved it. So you are eligible to give logical reasoning in the examination directly without any hesitation. Look at this. Now, let us discuss, my dear. Numerator, denominator, let's continue. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 20, that is 5, 10, 20, 40. Check whether it is coming or not. 38 plus 28, 20, 38. 38 plus what is 78? Yes, sir. This is this thing. Okay. There is only one option is having 38 in the numerator. Therefore, our answer is what? Option D. Very good. As denominator is double to its prior, okay, and it's observing, okay. Next. Odd man out. 6, 9, 15, 21, 24, 26, 30. Odd man out. C. 26. Why? Only 26 is not multiple of 3. Rest everything is multiple of 3. And one more option also people will be thinking, sir, 9 also can be the answer. Only 9 is what? Perfect square, sir. No, don't go like that. So go with multiple of 3. Health is written as IFBMUI. So north written as one letter na HIEFBLMTUHI. What? This one. Oh, yeah. Yes. OPSUI. Find the wrong term. G40, J10R, M20P, P43N, S90L. Third option C. Ritika given me option C. May I know why C? Question bank given me B. Madhavi given A. Krishna given A. Ashwin given A. Okay. Mahesh given me B. Why this mixture, my dear? Ritika, again you are giving C. Uttam Jagur C. Majority C, it seems. Majority are giving C. I don't know, but whether it's right or not. B. Mubashira B. B, sir. She is confident. May I know the reason? May I know the reason? I want to know the reason, my dear. Can you give me the reason? Sir, in question PDF, yes, Ritika, that is the community they are sharing now. 43 is not divisible by 2, sir. Oh, you are going that direction. See, now you understand the actually pain of odd man out. The pain of odd man out. Now, what is the value of G? Now, tell me what is value of G? G, T, J, R, M, 13, R is 18, okay. M 13, P 16, P 16, N, S, L, huh? Please, anything, any idea you are getting? Let me check what is the odd man out, because there are 2-3 odd man outs are coming. For us, all are odd man out only, right? People are giving me B. Different answers you are giving, my dear. This question is odd one. Okay, fine. Option C, my dear. Look at this. Take 4, 10, 20, 43 and 90. Take only the numericals. Okay. Take only the numericals. Now listen here. Here, actually what happens, if the sequence is like this. 4 into 2 plus 1. What will come? 9. Into 2 plus 2, 20, into 2 plus 3, 43, into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 90. So here, instead of 10, if it have got 9, I think the sequence is perfect, my dear. Therefore, my answer is C. You all understood? Yes. Find the next term. Very difficult question. 1, 5, 21, 57. Very difficult. What is it? What is it? Fast. 1, 5, 21, 57. C. 121. Why? Why 121? Huh? 2 square, that is 1, 5, 21, 57, 4, 16, 36. So 2 square, 4 square, 6 square. So next one you are expecting 8 square, which is 64, 121. Very good. One by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 16. One, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now, find the missing term P3C, R5F, T8I, V12L. My dear, please do it. Fast, 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 fast. P, QR, ST, UV, WX. Am I right, my dear? 3, 5, 8, 12, 17. Am I right, my dear? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and O. Is that right? 26th C. Shriram, now is it coming properly? Find out odd man out. 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. Fast, 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 fast. 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. What is odd man out? 216. Why? 216 only. 2 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. Correct. People are giving me 27. They ask you to find out odd man out, really. Yeah. $25 आना चाहिए. Why, Ritika? It's clearly given. Tanishq, you are fantastic, man. 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. Bases are in AP. And he says only this one, sir. Both the power and the base is same, sir. Therefore 27, sir. Actually, there is a printing mistake. It should be 25. That's what Ritika is trying to tell me. No, actually there is a mistake. Now let me check the question once again. Because everyone is giving me different solutions and a different approach. I should appreciate you. Actually, option also it is 25 only, my dear. It is given as 25. Option A now, very good. Now, in a certain code language, I think Ritika, how do you know there is a mistake? In a certain code language, beat is written as YBZG. Then what will be code mild? Listen here. Beat. Hey, wait. Written as YVZG. Then mild. NR, reason, mirror image. Actually, listen here, it's a mirror image, my dear. I hope now you understand why I have written like this. Am I right? For example, this is the mirror. B, Y. Am I right, my dear? What is the letter? What is given? Beat. B, E, V. A means Z. T. T means G. Is it what given, my dear? Yes. Same way, mild. Mild. M. Mirror images. N. I. R. L. O. W. N or O W. Very good. Mirror image. So Ritika said, "Tuka mara." Kuch bhi aisa. That to what exactly 25? How can you do that? Now, I think this one we already did, but it is rifle. What is the answer? Rifle. Ripple coded as 61338282. Life is written as 8192. What is rifle coded as? C. C. Now, next one. Choose the missing term 1, 1, 8, 4, 27, 64, 16. My dear, have you please look at the sequence. Is it increasing and decreasing? Is it increasing and decreasing? See, 1, 1, 8, 4, 27, increasing, decreasing. Whenever it increases, decreases, it's combination of two sequences, I said. Odd numbers will give you one sequence, even number will give you one sequence. So 1, 8, 27, 64. 1, 4, look at this. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. I hope you all understand this. Sorry, sir. Now, Delhi coded as EFI MII, Jaipur coded. Anyone from Jaipur? Anyone from Delhi? Anyone from Jaipur and anyone from Delhi? Question bank, you think so many things, my dear. It's very simple. Any Jaipur wale, any Delhi wale? D, E, E, F, L, M, H, I, J. Actually, it should be J, right? So, what is it? J, K, A, B. I think once you get the first letter, once you get the first letter, directly you can mark the answer, because only first letter, every alphabet, every option, first letter is different. So no need to go for other things. Now, frame coded as 0618011305. Array is coded as, look at this, frame. Now, F6, R18, A1, M13, E5. But actually, according to the code, this is not 6, they have taken it as 06. This is 01. This is 05. That means same alphabet only, but two digits they are taking. Can you do it for arrays? 01. What is R? 18. I. 09. S. 1905. Sir. A. Mean deviation. Consumer price index. The wrong term in the series. 225, 196, 190, 169, 144, 121, 100, 77, 64. If I ask this question to you now, that means I am insulting you people, so I don't want to question you. Directly let me answer it. And at least let me answer these type of questions. Clock 343235, time 8679, then motel. This is what given. Motel spelling is M-O-T-E-L. Give me the answer. So first third letter you got the answer. Yes, C is the right answer. Wow, what a difficult. Mouse is coded as 34651, key is coded as 217, then how will S be coded as? What? A, okay. A. Now you are gone. See, now you are gone. R-U-X-A-D. Yes. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Option C, option C. Now find the missing term. Missing term 413 49 76, 413 dash 49 76. People are giving me B. What is the difference? What is the difference here? Apana. Then 18 means next one will come out. Very good, Tanishq. 9, 27, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 6 is 27, 4 plus 9, 13 plus 15. Yes. Find the odd one from the following. Find the odd one. Zebra, giraffe, horse, tiger. Listen here. See, listen here. People will give different answer. Why I'll tell you. See, find the odd one from the following. Few people say tiger. So tiger is what? Carnivorous. Rest all the three are what? Herbivorous. That is satisfying. Second, horse also can be the answer. Horse, why horse can be the answer? Because it's a domestic one. All the three are what? Wild animals. But, Acha. Giraffe also can be the answer because height is. Hey. Wait. Enough. Enough. But horse now, I can give two reasons. One is zebra, giraffe and tiger has got pattern in their body. Okay. All the three animals has got pattern in their body as well as what? Wild animals. Whereas horse does not have any pattern in the body, and also one more difference is what? It's a wild animal. So I may go with the C. C is the right answer. Yes, C. Yes, you are smart. Shh. Okay. In a certain code, thanks written as SKNTHA. Then how is stupid? Look at this. See, the letters are jumbled within their letters only, right? There is no extra letters. What happens? Please, I said, keep quiet. See, look at this. These three. Reverse order, first three letters. Second three. Reverse order, second three letters. As it is, it came. So, stupid also what we can do? PIDSTU. Am I right, my dear? Oh, sorry. DIP. DIPSTU. Now, 9, 27, 31, 155, 161, 1127 dash. Charger. Yes. C. Why? 9, 27, 31, 155, 161, 127, then what? 1135. Look at this. Look at this, my dear. Take this as 2-2 combo. 2-2 combos. Shall we take like this? 27 by 9, what is it? 3. 155 by 31? But actually another also we need 2 combos. Don't take that. 5, and here what is it? 7. But how much to be added? What is it? Nine threes are 27. Look at this. 9 threes are 27 plus 4. 31 fives are 155 plus 6. 161 into 7. What are you getting? 1127 plus 8. So what will come? 1135. See, into 3 plus 4, into 5 plus 6, into 6, into 7 plus 8. 1135. Am I right, my dear? Next, 12, 9, 13.5, 30.375, 341.71845. Yes. Since 0.5 and all involved, definitely divided by 2 will come. Twelve into 3 by 4. 9 into 3 by 4. Tell me what is it, 9 into 3 by 4? 6 point? Nine into 3 by 4 into 2. Next one, 13.5 into 3 by 4 into 3. Can you check this? Correct? Next one is what? 30.375 into 3 by 4 into 4. 91.125. Complicated only. Not that simple. 2 layers not needed. Tanishk, in 1 layer we can find out. Because I wanted 9, the second number is 9, and also what 0.5, 0.375 and all coming. So definitely it should be divided by 4, then only 0.375, 0.7125 and all will come. So I was just checking into what I am getting 9, into 3 by 4 I am getting 9, and next one I multiplied 9 into 3 by 4, I got what? 6.75 something, into 2 is 13.5, so I keep on increasing the terms. So I decided, okay, this is into 1, this is into 2, this is into 3, like that we are doing. Right? Yeah. Now, 7, 26, 63, 124, 215, 342 dash. Give me the answer, my dear. Very simple. Find the missing number. I am getting 5, 11. Yes. See, 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 8 cube minus 1. Telephone is written as ENOHPELET. Look at this. Like, reverse order they are writing. That's it. So, same way, alligator written as what? ROTAGIAL. ILA. Option A. Yeah. Earth coded as 34215. Venus is written as 73089. What is Saturn coded as? Ramanujam, you can do it. Yes, Tanishk. Yes. B is the right answer. Frozen decoded as OFAPSG. Take the right option that depicts molten written in the wave. Frozen decoded as OFAPSG and molten. Yes. Why? The reason is what? Actually, it's like mirror, my dear. It's reverse order actually. NO, EF, ZA, OP, RS, FG. Same way. NO, EF, TR, T, RST, U, LM, OP, MN, OFO, MPN. Mirror image, yes. Find the odd man out. 34, 105, 424, 2123, 12756. Thirty-four, 105, 424, 2123, 12756. 2123. Ritika given me answer 2123. But I want to know the reason. Look at this. Into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4. Next one is I am expecting into 5 plus 5. What is it? Into 5 plus 5 is? Into 5 plus 5 is what? 2125. Next check. Into 6 plus 6. Got it now? So 2123 is the right answer. Option B. Find the missing in the following series, my dear. Missing. Where is missing? Fine. Last maybe no, last cannot go. This may be. Look at this. Is it increasing, decreasing again? So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 5, 19, 41, this one and 109. 5, 19, 41. Let me take this as a missing and 109. +71, may you know the reason? Plus 14. Next, what is it, my dear? 22. For example, if I take 30, 38. What? This is 71. 71 plus 38. Yes, of course, got it. So 71 is the right answer. See, plus 14 plus 22, the difference is 8. So I am adding another 8. I am checking it. So 71 is satisfying. Option A. In a certain code language, tour is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, clear written as 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, spare is written as 9, 0, 8, 4, 7. Find the code for care. What is it? D. Care. So last two letters is 8, 7. It will get over by 8, 7, right? Sorry, 4, 7. Now C. Value of C is what? 5. Value of A is what? 8. 5, 8, 4, 7. Find the next number in the given sequence. 11, 17, 39, 85, dash 281, 447. We don't know whether you are going to get it in one layer or two layers. 11, 17, 39, 85, dash 281, 447. What is it, my dear? 6. Next one is what? 22. What is next, my dear? 40. Now 16, and here 24. So next one will be what? 32. 46 plus 32 is what? 78. 85 plus 78? 163. Option D. Right? Rose is coded as 6821. Chair is coded as 73456. Preach is coded as 961473. What will be the code for search? What is it? I told you already, every sum is more time consuming only. See, this chapter itself time consuming. The number in place of a question mark, please find out. A. Reason? Yeah. 2q minus 1, 3q minus 2. Sorry, 2q minus 1, 3q minus 1, 7q minus 1. Okay, 342. Any trick for LR, my dear? In blood relation, seating arrangement or directions only we have. This is what? There is no trick is needed. One letter behind, no. What is it? Mention is becoming L-N-E-I-T-N-O. Now present is coded as. Mention. Okay, tell me, my dear. D. Why, Tanishq? See, let me write the values. 13, 5, 14, 18. Is I is 10? I is 10? 9, okay. T is 20. What is I? 9. O 15. N 14. Now look at this. Yeah, mirror, I know. What is L? 12. N 14. E is 9. 9, 20. Yes. What is it? D. They ask you to find out percent. Now, how you can relate 14 minus 2, 15 minus 1? No. Yes. Only M we need to change. P written as what? Q. Okay. Yeah, minus 1. O. The rest is what? We need to reverse it. T, N, E, S. Wait. N, O. Yes, okay. T, N. T. Wait. N, E. Don't get excited. Wait. Yes. Okay. Now listen here. M is here what? N. Okay. Here the rest is T, N, O. That is N is last letter. Okay. I have to go by this way, right? Fine. My mistake only. Now listen here. Here actually it should be T. Am I right? What? Correct. E-R, E-S, T-N. Yes. Only these two letters. Yes. Two letters jumbled. Look at this. O-N becomes N-O. T-I becomes I-T. En becomes Ne. Yeah. Out of following 41, 43, 47, 53, 61, 71, 83, 95, the odd man out shall be. Hey Ritika, the live class students, they got excited and see, you have to come and see, they are just jumping from the benches. Yeah, what is the answer? Very good. Why? Rahul Raj is given the answer as B. Kadalli 81 is not there only. How can you give B? See, 41, 43, 47, 53, 61, 71, 83, all are prime numbers. Only 95 is non-prime. Rishabh given me even sequence. Find the next number in the series. Q1F, S2E, U6D, W21C. A97. B. Wow, fast. Y. XY. Okay. F, E, D, C, B. Okay, Y and B. Then numbers 1 into 2, 2 into 3. See, you are saying 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 2. Am I right? This is what you are saying. Next one is 3 into 3 plus 3. 12 only getting here, 21 is there. My dear, 56, can anyone give me an answer? See, Y and B is correct. Q, R, S, S, U, V, yes, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So Y is correct, B is correct. Sir, this is PYQ. What is PYQ? PYQ is not there in the option only, Rahul Raj. It's a past year question. Okay, okay. Okay, why? (21 into 4 plus 4). 21 fours are 84 plus 4 is 88. See, listen here. 1 into 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 2 plus 2. But here you are not supposed to take 3. This number you should take 6 into 3 plus 3. Then 21 into 4 plus 4. Good. Why 88B? Oh, you find odd man out. Again 190, 145. Huh? Incomplete. So number series is done, my dear. Now we are starting with direction. Let us start with direction. Now, I told you before you start with the direction, that the direction, primary, secondary directions and all, you should know it. Now, let me start. Lakshman went 15 kilometers to north. Consider this as a line, okay, straight line. 15 kilometer north. See, distance always take proportionate distance, okay, distance always take proportionate distance. Then he turned west and covered 10 kilometers. Then he turned south, 5 kilometers. Then again, now, in which direction he is from his house? In which direction he is from his house? north direction. Now, I would like to give you one small trick. If you want to follow, you follow, otherwise you leave it. Listen here. Please. North and south opposite to each other. East and west opposite to each other. Do you all agree? Next. Left and right are opposite to each other. Do you all agree, my dear? Remember this. Now, Lakshman went 15 kilometers north. I don't know whether you have learned this method earlier or not, but if you have not learned, please listen here. It's a nice method actually. If you don't understand also, okay, no problem. No problem. 15 kilometers north. Is it north 15? Say yes or no. Without drawing the diagram, I am doing it. West 10 kilometers. Next one is what? South 5 kilometers. Next one is what? East 10 kilometers. Now look at this. West 10, East 10, both are on the same, get cancelled. Only north and south. As far as direction is concerned, get cancelled. 15 and 5. Which is greater number here? Which is greater number here? North is, 15 is greater number. Therefore, north is my direction. Guys, you understand this trick? Guys, you understand this trick? Yes, Chota Bhim. I don't know, there is no reaction, my dear. Only Chota Bhim given me some reaction. The rest of them are sitting as it is. Yes. Okay, Jason. What about the advert side? Nothing has come. He will be facing east, sir. But the question is not facing which direction he is facing. Question is what? In direction he is from his house. Please understand. Next one. A man is facing east. Okay, first he is facing east. Then he turns left. Fine. And goes 10 meters. Fine. Then he turns right and goes 5 meters. Okay. Then he goes 5 meters to the south. Okay. And from there 5 meters to west. Okay. In which direction is he from the original face? Again north. Again north. Listen here, this question also, sir, can we use the same method? Of course. A man facing east, then he turns left. So eliminate this east because he is walking towards north only. So north, how many meters? 10. Then after that, what do you do? Right side 5 meter, then goes 5 meters to south. That means again he is taking left. Left to 5 meters and 5 meters to what? No, I think this will confuse you. Leave it because we need a lot of practice for this. Because in one day I cannot change the table. X walks southwards, turns right. X walks southwards, turns right. Where is right, my dear? Left. Then right. In which direction he is moving now? Am I right? West direction. Am I right? Say yes or no. Now look at this. Same question I would like to approach in different way. First south. After that he takes his right. Then left. Then again what? Say. First south. Turns right. Left. Again what? Right. Right and left get cancelled. What is right of south? West. Answer over. My dear, if you understand this, this is without drawing the diagram, my dear. I don't know how many of you already learnt this method. Is it nice? My dear, is it nice? Okay. Raman starts walking in the morning facing sun. That means he is walking towards which direction? East. After some time he turned to left, later again turn to his right. In what direction Raman is moving now? Very simple, my dear. What is the answer? First you give me the answer. First give me the answer for this. Okay, now listen here. Sir, Raman starts walking in the morning facing the sun, sir. Facing the sun. Look at this, my dear. So he is east direction. Taking left. Again another left. So in which direction he is moving? West direction. Look at this. Can I give you one more method? Without anything. Okay, listen here. So from the first line you come to know what is it? East. Then after that what is doing? Left, left. Listen here. Left and right means get cancelled. Left and left means getting added. See, east, one left north, other left is west. Our answer is west. And those who know geometry very well, look at this. 90 degree and another 90 degree. See, L is 90, another L is 90. 90 plus 90 is what? 180 degree. Directly opposite. Only 90 degree comes. North side or south side. Is that right, my dear? So this is where we need to understand. Fine. Slowly you will learn. I stand with my right hand extended sideways towards south. Towards which direction will my back be? I stand with my right hand extended sideways towards north. Sir, towards south. Towards which direction my back will be? West. Reason. I want you to give me the reason. West. Yes, please fast, make it fast. Give me the answer. I stand with my right hand extended sideways towards south. Fine. Right side, see. I am just changing everything, I am changing. So see, if I am changing like the south side, if I am taking the right hand there, then my back is always on the west side. Yes. You go north, turn right, then right again, and then go to left. In which direction are you now? Listen here. You go north, turn right, then another right and left. And which direction you are now? Right and left can cancel. What is right direction of north is? East. Answer over. My dear, you understand this method? You no need to read fully, my dear. Left to right, left to right. Yes, Tanishk, you are right. flats on a floor in 2 rows facing north and south are allotted to PQ, RST. This is seating arrangement sum. Anup starts walking towards south. After walking 15 meters, he turns towards north. After walking 20 meters, he turns towards east and walks 10 meters. He then turns towards south and walks 5 meters. In which direction is he from the original position? Shall we do? See, look at this. First, south. How many meters? 15 meters. Turns north. How many meters? 20 meters. Turn towards east. 10 meters. He then turned towards south. 5 meters. In which direction? He is from the original position. Look at this, very simple. South 15, south 5. Total south 20. Cut, cut, cut. With north 20 get cancelled. What is remaining? East. Yes. My dear, you understand the procedure what I am following? Otherwise, sir, we are comfortable with the direction, sir. Of course, you go, my dear. What is it? South 15. After walking 15 meters, he turned towards north. That means like U-turn. He turns towards north and he goes to 20 meters. Then, after walking 20 meters, he turned towards east, 10 meters. Then he turned towards south, 5 meters. In which direction he is from the original position? This is the original position he is now. In which direction, my dear? East direction. Instead of drawing like this, can we do like this, my dear? Is this method is simple or not? You tell me. The method which I am following is simple or not, my dear? Tell me, my dear. Yes. Rahim started from point X and walked straight 5 kilometers. If you feel it is simple method, just press like button, my dear. Rahim started from point X and walked 5 kilometers west. Turned left and walked 2 kilometers. Again turned left and walked 7 kilometers. In which direction is from the point X? Now, point X. Walked 5 kilometers towards west. Then turned left and walked 2 kilometers straight. Again turned left and walked 7 kilometers. Am I right, my dear? In which direction is he from the point X? Which direction, my dear? South, east. Is that right? Sir, what if I follow your method, sir? Let us check what is happening with my method. See, first west 5 kilometers, turn left 2 kilometers, then again turn left 7 kilometers. In which direction he is from? Am I right, my dear? Yes. Listen here. 7 plus 2 is 9, because we need to add LL means we need to add 9, which is more than this. So definitely what you know, either southeast, northeast, this is what the answer is going to be. So here my answer is what? Northeast. This is not coming. Better you go by this way only. A man started to walk east. After moving distance, he turned to his right. After moving distance, he turned to his right again. He moving little. After moving a little, he turned to end of his left. In which direction he was going now? Look at this. Right, left get cancelled. Only one right is there. What is right of east? South. Answer is south. Am I not audible? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible? Listen here, you understand my method, look at this. Hey, you understand my method, I am not reading the entire question. Say, in direction, this is the problem, na? I am not reading the entire question. East. Next, right, right, left. So what I do, one right and one left is getting cancelled, only right will be pending. So from east, what is right, my dear? South. So my answer is south. You all understand this method, what I said, without drawing any diagram, my dear. Okay, are you understanding what I am saying? Yes. One who wants to go to market, he starts from his house towards north and reaches crossing after 30 meters. He turns towards east, goes 10 meters till the second crossing and turns again, moves towards south straight for 30 meters where marketing complex exists. In which direction the market is from his house? Direct answer, my dear. Look at this. North 30 meters, south 30 meters. Cancel, cancel. Only east is pending. Answer is east. My dear, you all understand? Yes? Are you getting this logic? What logic I am approaching? See, are we saving time when we apply this method? Are we saving time? I don't know how many of you are enjoying this method, but of course. How many of you used this method before or first time those who are using? How many of you used this method before? Can you please comment? Those who have used this method? Yes. Sir, we already used it, sir. How many of you used this method first time? Have we used it? Okay. First time. So Tanishk, you already used this method, right? So if you use this method, direct cancellation, direct answer. Yes, Riya. Fine. See, if you are learning it for the first time, I will be very happy because at least some value added I can give it to you, right? Yes, using first time. Now, I can assume that many of you are using it for the first time. Very good. Sangeeta leaves from her home. She first walks 30 meters northwest direction, then 30 meters southwest direction. Next she walks to 30 meters in southeast direction. Finally she turns towards her home. In which direction is she moving now? What is the answer? How? How many questions we done today? I don't know. I have to. I'm tired now. Till I get more tired, I'll do it. Listen here. See. This is her home, Sangeeta's home. First walks 30 meters in northwest. Is this northwest, my dear? Then 30 meters to southwest. This is southwest, my dear. And she walks 30 meters in southeast. This is southeast, my dear. Finally, she turns towards her house. In which direction she is moving now? This is which direction, my dear? North, east. In which direction she is moving now? Northeast. People are giving me southeast. Northeast or southeast? Look at this. See, this is northwest, southwest. What is this? Southeast, southwest, northeast, northwest. Am I right, my dear? First, see what we do, after reaching here, from there don't see northwest. You go with this flow only, okay? So once again let me draw. at this. First she walks 30 meters to northwest. This is northwest. And then 30 meter in southwest direction. This is southwest direction. So southwest. Next 30 meters in southeast. Southeast is this way. 30 meters in southeast. Now she finally turned towards her house. In which direction she is moving now? In which direction she is moving now? This is nothing but northeast direction. Am I right, my dear? So northeast. That is the right answer. Listen here. When a person faces north and walks 25 meter, right, then turns left, walks 20 meter, then again turns right and walks 25 meter, and turns right and walks 25 meter, and turns right and walks 40 meter, in which direction he is from his starting point? A person faces north, walks 25 meters. Actually, this cannot be the answer because he is making right and left. Secondary direction will not come. There is some mistake here. Huh? Madhuri moved distance 75 meters towards north. She then turned to her left and walked about 25 meter, turned left again, walked 80 meter. Finally, she turned to her right at an angle of 45 degrees. In which direction was she moving now? Bishop, don't try to apply tricks everywhere, my dear. When secondary angles are coming, try to avoid the tricks. Listen here. Madhuri moved a distance 75 meters towards north. Okay. She turned to her left and walked 25 meters. Okay. Then turned to her left again, walked 80 meters. Finally, she turned to her right at an angle of 45 degrees. In which direction she is moving now? Oh, sorry, right. In which direction she is moving now? Southwest. She is moving now in southwest. Okay. A person facing north moves 70 degree clockwise. Am I right, my dear? Move 70 degree clockwise. He again moved 300 degrees clockwise direction. Now, in which direction he is facing now? About northeast. See, total 370 degree in one direction only, na? See, it is actually total 370 degree in one direction. That means, see, 360 degree. Another 10 degree extra he was moving. So, it is northeast. If Mohan travelled towards north from his house, then turned to left, then to south, covering equal distance. In which direction to reach Sohan's house? In which direction Mohan's house is from Sohan's house now? Actually, this is the question, my dear. In which direction Mohan's house is from Sohan's house? Mohan towards north from his left, south. In which direction? This is actually what? Mohan's house, this is Sohan's house. In which direction Mohan's house is from Sohan's house? East direction. A man stands on a point and walks 2 kilometers north. He turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Then again turns left and walks 2 kilometers. In which direction he is moving now? A man stands on a point, walks 2 kilometers north, turns left 1 kilometer, then turns left, again walk 2 kilometers. In which direction he is moving now? He is moving towards south direction. Can you try this? A man started walking west, then turned right, then again right, again left. In which direction he is walking now? Look at this. West, right, right, left. Right and left get cancelled. What is right side of west? North. Answer is north. A man is moving on a cycle, move 4 kilometers south, then turns left and move 2 kilometers, turns again right, move to go home, go more. In which direction he is moving? Direct answer south. Why? I'll tell you. Look at this. Left, right, cancelled. Only south. Shyam sees rising sun behind the tower and setting sun behind the railway station from his house. What is the direction of the tower from the railway station? This is Shyam's house. Shyam sees the rising sun behind the tower. So tower should be here. Am I right, my dear? East. And the railway station should be on the west direction. What is the direction? Sorry, this is railway station. This is home. What is the direction of tower from the railway station? East. A man takes a dog for a walk whose house is facing east. He walks first towards west and walks towards south. In which direction he has to walk now to reach home? See, northeast is right answer. Look at this. A man walk whose house is facing east. He walks towards west, then south. Now here it is house. He has to walk towards this direction. So this direction is what? Northeast direction. Option A. This is purely distance, my dear. Ram left home and cycled southward 10 kilometers, turned right 5 kilometers, turned right and cycled 10 kilometers, turned left, cycled 10 kilometers. Now look at this. Right and left 10 kilometers got cancelled. But the question, they did not ask you to find out the direction, they only ask you to find out the distance. Total distance, how many kilometers he travelled? 10. Question is what? How many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? "15 kilometers. A man facing west. So since degree is involved, Let me draw like this. A man facing west, 45 degrees in the clockwise direction. That means now it is northwest. And then another 180 degrees in the same direction. Okay, now he is in this direction. 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes. Which direction he is facing now? South, west. See, I think the remaining problems you will be able to solve it. Mostly now, try to attend like some tricks and all there, hacks and all there, try to attend hacks. Okay. So the remaining problems which is there in the description box, or I will be sharing it with you. It is there in the description box, notes. I will ask them to share in our channel. So please try to solve it. So in the next lecture again logical reasoning will be done. Blood relation and what? Sitting arrangement. Blood relation and sitting arrangement. First of all, thank you for joining today with me. Even though Sunday, still you are joining. It's nice how interested you are. Then next lecture we will be doing again what? Logical reasoning. Then after that I will be starting with statistics. Okay? Yes. So thank you all of you. Bye everyone. Have a nice Sunday. Bye, 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 bye.